Hi guys, I'm Mandy and today I'm sharing my top 5 essential oils that I use in my daily life. These oils I bought from a Dutch web shop called Sensa Home. This one says Lavender, which is lavender. This one is tea tree, which is tea tree. Peppermint, which is peppermint. Rosemary, which is rosemary. And sinaasappel, which is orange, sweet orange. These oils are 100% pure and natural, meaning that they're uncut, there are no carrier oils added, they're free of chemicals, and they're not tested on animals. Alright, so let's jump right into the video. So the first essential oil is lavender. This one is super popular and a widely used oil. It's known for its calming properties. It has a sweet, floral and herbal scent, and it blends well with sweet orange and eucalyptus. I made a homemade lavender linen spray, which I love using as an air freshener. I spray it on my linen and around the rooms. And if lavender isn't your favorite scent, you can use any essential oil in this recipe. This is what you need: distilled water, pure lavender essential oil, a diluter liquid. You can use vodka, witch hazel or rubbing alcohol, a small jar, a spray bottle, and a small funnel, which is optional. The next one is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is best known for its purifying qualities, which makes it useful for cleansing the skin, home surfaces, and purifying the air. It smells like medicinal, earthy, and herbal. This one blends well with frankincense and lavender. I use tea tree oil to clean my makeup brushes. Tea tree oil is perfect for killing acne-causing bacteria, even the ones found in your dirty makeup brushes. And baby shampoo is gentle for your skin and your brushes. So what you need is your dirty makeup brushes, tea tree oil, baby shampoo, and a jar. So the third essential oil is peppermint oil. For me, this oil is a must-have. Peppermint essential oil is great for so many reasons, and it's known for its antibacterial properties. It has a clean, refreshing, minty, cool scent, and tea tree oil blends well with bergamot and lavender. I use tea tree oil to make an all-purpose peppermint cleaner. So here's the recipe I used for peppermint all-purpose cleaner. Equal parts of distilled water and vinegar, 10 drops or so of peppermint oil, a spray bottle, and a small funnel, but that's optional. Fourth one is rosemary essential oil. This one has many benefits, and this oil is known for its renewing properties. It has a warm, woody and herbal scent, and it blends well with lavender, peppermint and sweet basil. I use rosemary oil to make like a homemade rosemary and lavender hairspray. I created this natural hairspray that I use before my daughter is heading off to school, just a preventive way to keep our family from getting lice. But this homemade hairspray is not just for kids. Adults can also use it whenever you need to freshen your hair or add a little moisture before you brush. So for my DIY rosemary and lavender hairspray, all you need is a spray bottle, distilled water, carrier oil. I use almond oil because it's very nourishing and strengthens the hair, a measuring spoon or a funnel, and the essential oils. And then the last one is sweet orange essential oil. This is just happiness in a bottle. It's uplifting and just brings me in a happy mood. It's known for its stimulating properties. I just love the smell of this oil. It has like a sweet, sugary, fresh, citrusy smell to it. Yeah, it just reminds me of fresh peeled oranges. And this one blends well with frankincense, lavender and other citrus oils. My favorite way is just to diffuse it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode of my top 5 essential oils. If you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know by giving it a like. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.